Welcome back. If you're working with rebrandable content, you may be rewriting that content in order to make it more unique, and you might be rewriting it in order to make it more readable. If that's the case, you will do well to go back and use the compare function to look at one document versus another. So you can look at the document you have versus the one that you started with. And you can use the compare feature in order to do that. And so what you do is you go to the review menu, then you come to the compare tab. You would then click compare. Then you would start with the original document, and then you would look at the revised document. Now you can decide that you only want to look at a certain number of parameters in order to determine whether or not a document is different. And so in this case, we can narrow this down to anything that has been inserted or deleted. But you can obviously keep as much of this as you want in order to make your comparison. We'll then click next, and then we're going to click OK. You'll then have a document with a comparison and all of the changes in front of you and how those changes came to pass. You'll also be able to hover over each of the links to know which of the authors made the changes. And then if you want to look at the final document, all you'll need to do is to go to your tracking area, and then you'll need to click no markup. Then you'll have your final product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.